How do I open it? Let her figure it out.
Help me! She says help me.
I know.
They have more fun. She's happy since she's home. I can clearly see that. She was overly tired, but she wanted to be at home. But, you know, babies and children, nothing like home. Did you get an Easter bag, honey? Did you get an Easter bag? Oh, no, you gotta see what's in there. No, don't go away, Mommy. Go help her.
Here, Gabby. Look.
Pull
Pull
it
stuff
up,
out. Look. What is that? What is
Pull the
that?
stuff out.
Oh my goodness, what is that?
Pull the stuff out. That's good. You just left her in her diaper.
She's like,
Can you see her, Michael?
oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
It's stuffed in there. She might need
Okay.
help.
Try it again.
It's really...
Try it again.
Make it quack, Sabrina. Press it, make it quack. Turn around so she can see his orange beak and make him quack. Do you want him to quack again? She's talking to him like she does the animals. That's how she talks to my cats, and then they run. We'll have to cut the
She's
tags
like, I
off.
don't like that.
I know. Did you see her face? We'll have to cut the tags off of that. What else is in the bag? Everything is edible to her. Her face is fun. Okay, what else you got? I know he doesn't taste good. Beat him up. Yuck. You must taste better. We need to spice him up. She's funny. Look how strong she's getting. Do you remember when she couldn't even pick something up, and now she can make him quack again? I think she wants him to quack. Look, shoes. Look at those pretty shoes. Do you like those, you guys?
Yeah. Are there two?
Yes, there are two.
They look big.
Do you see the eyelet material? It's really pretty.
Yeah.
You got some pretty shoes with bows.
Oh, you're missing her smile. Honey.
Recording video.
Oh.
That's a duck.
Oh, okay.
He's talking to you, Gabby. Wait till you guys are at the park and she hears a real duck. She's talking to him. Are you talking to the duck? I like that little...
Here, look at the other stuff though. See? Look at your other stuff.
She'd rather eat the duck.
Look at. What's this? What's this, Gabby?
Look at that little sun top. It's 9 months.
Grab it.
See the little pants.
Say, oh my goodness, that's gonna look so pretty on me.
Do you see the pink bottoms?
Mm-hmm. She grabbed them.
Yeah, pull the rest of the stuff out.
And I got some shoes.
Tennis
Look at those shoes. And what's this?
She looks so pretty in blue. Look.
And look at that.
A onesie.
Gabby. And this is yours, yes? That's pretty.
And that's a set. It's a little caprice.
Look it.
Look at that caprice. And a little shoe.
She's putting all the clothes over there.
I know. Wipe it off.
Say thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. She knows you press the belly to make him quack.
Yeah, because she just said, look. See? Looky here. See this?
She likes his tuft with feathers on top. She's a baby home.
See, that doesn't go there. Gotta take that off.
I know, you can tell. She says, okay, I'm done. Okay, I hope those diapers hold the pool pretty good.
Yeah.
That's kind of nice. You like your bag?
Oh, I saw it. There you go. She's like, well, what the heck? There's nothing else? Look at her face. No more?
Oh. Do you have Elmo now? Do you have Elmo? There's Daddy. There's Daddy.
Hi.
She's so cool now.
I do. How are you?
Her legs aren't as big anymore.
Yeah, that's because she's using her legs so much. Play toy, shoes. So has she fallen asleep yet when you guys brought her home? Did she fall asleep in
Oh,
hers?
we just got here. That's why it's perfect timing.
Okay, good. Yeah, because I'm taking mine to go for days.
What are you doing, Dave?
Watching dogs.
They have 4 dogs, and Dave went up to New York to be with his wife and kids for Easter. He'll probably be back this week sometime.
Don't let them be a brew in the house.